Hi everyone! We're excited to share with you one of our charming spring wreaths this spring season, the Spring Bee Ribbon Wreath,
handcrafted from King Young's Ward Ribbon Spring Collection.
This simple yet bubbly wreath is sure to brighten your door, wall, or any space you decorate this spring. The star of this piece is the vibrant yellow bee printed ribbon, buzzing with playful energy and adorable floral accents. Paired with a bold black and white polka dot ribbon, it creates a stunning contrast that really pops.
We've also added a flower accent made from a satin ribbon. And look closely, there's a mini bee too, crafted entirely from a ribbon, completely tiny with pinks and goggly eyes. All of these lovely details sit on a flat circular white base, dressed in alternating stripe of black and sunny yellow ribbon. We hope this wreath inspires your spring decoration ideas.
Do you already have your seasonal decor up?
Share your creations with us in the comments.
Bye!
Mr. Soso, what are you looking at?
Hello? I'm looking at the return data.
It's just numbers jumping around, so what could be so interesting about that?
No, this is related to the operation of our machine. The reason for this is that our machines are extremely long from start to finish. If we have access to the data from the panel, we will be able to quickly identify where the issues are occurring and significantly reduce the amount of downtime, ensuring that our operations run smoothly and efficiently. So, in the event that there is a malfunction in this area, we can quickly address it.